What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project that I mentioned maybe 2 months ago. I made a video on BlockDAG. And if you haven't heard of it by now, honestly, you've been living under a rock because it is everywhere. It's on Twitter. It's on different advertising places. They're putting in marketing. You're seeing it on YouTube. You're seeing it on TikTok. You're seeing it on many different social media platforms. And it's because it has hype, it has attention, it has use, it has utility. It just has all types of things that we want to see within a cryptocurrency, especially that's going to launch. That's a new launch. Everybody's looking for that gem, right? Looking for that project that not only has the popularity, but also has people's heads turned because of what it could be used for and how it compares to the different cryptocurrencies that are out there now. And when we see all of these other meme coins and projects and coins that are created, it doesn't really have the same picture as something that truly does have utility. You know what I mean? I talked about this about 2 months ago, and it was in pre-sale then and still in pre-sale now. There's 45 stages, and I think right now it's in batch 21. Then it was in batch 12, so kind of the reverse of where I was at those levels, right? That's kind of interesting that that's the case. But right now it's in batch 21, and when it was in batch 12, this is where it stood, right? So hopefully you guys can see this. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. It stood at 0.0075, or as I like to say, 75% of a penny. It needs to get 25% more in order to get to that 1 cent level. Now, the launching price for this position is going to be a 5 cent price point. So when you see that at a 1 cent level to 5 cents, you know that you could see a 5x return there. You could see a 10x return up to a level of 10 cents as it does grow, as you have more exchanges, as you have more popularity and more people talking about it. You then have an even higher level that you can get to. So 5x is the minimum, 10x is at other levels, but you could see even the max level that some people predict is going to get to $1 to $10, right? Meaning that you could see, a potential crazy return. So anyways, I want to talk about BlockDAG in this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out all the links for BlockDAG. I will provide those at the top of the description where you guys can go into the website. You can go into whatever you want to see about it, their Twitter account, all of that stuff, and get some more information. Speaking of Twitter accounts, let's start with their Twitter account and where that does stand. It's currently at a 109,000 follower level. Amazing, and you're seeing that growth every single day. Where you have more and more people that are talking about it, more and more people that are following it, more and more videos that are going on, more and more tweets that are going out, just so many different things that are so positive about this play that it just continues to turn heads. So, what is BlockDAG, right? Let's go into explain exactly what is BlockDAG. This is where speed meets security. BlockDAG, inspired by Bitcoin and Caspa, which are two very popular plays in the market, very popular coins in the market, is the world's most advanced layer 1 blockchain, a cutting edge proof of work algorithm that delivers industry leading speeds, unbeatable security, and high decentralization. Built for the future, BlockDAG can power everyday applications to enterprise grade DeFi protocols. With the power to mine from anywhere, BlockDAG makes crypto mining simple for everyone. Now, this is something that a lot of people wanted, right? When you think about cryptocurrency, there's a lot of people that first get into it and really just want the ability to mine. And if you have the ability to mine something that has this much potential, you could potentially gain so much with that. And we'll get into the mining rigs as we move along. But seeing that you can mine easier, you can mine from anywhere, is definitely a huge selling point here. Now, different companies that it's powered by are a lot of companies that you know and love, which would be OpenAI, Gemini, right? Google, you see Gmail, Visa, Apple Pay, whatever, right? There's many different companies there to where you see this is powered by many common faces and well-known names. Core attributes. Coin acquisition. Be a part of our project early on and witness your contribution increase in value as the project progresses. Upon listing on major exchanges, your early contributions will begin their journey as long-term assets. You have mining rigs, which we just said we would get into. Experience the simplest crypto mining with BlockDAG. Pick what suits you best from our 3 mining options. You have X10, which can mine up to 200 BDAG coins daily. You have X30, which can mine 600 coins daily, and then X100, which can mine 2,000 coins daily. Now, just understand what that means, right? If you see this at a level of $1, that means that you're mining $200 a day. That means that you're mining $600 a day. That means that you're mining $2,000 a day when you see that you can utilize this mining rig to mine 2,000 BlockDAG. So you can have these high returns as you see higher levels. Mobile mining. The BlockDAG X1 is the simplest way you can mine crypto. You can start mining BlockDAG on your smartphone with no drain on data or battery life. Enjoy easy signups, referral codes, and progress reports while you're on the app. So again, this is a big way of having this be as simple as possible for everyone involved. Let's take a look at the pre-sale itself, because obviously you want to know how you're going to get involved. Maybe you are sold on it. Maybe you've seen some other videos and this was kind of that tipping point. So let's go ahead and dive into the pre-sale portion. So if you go up here and you select join pre-sale, which they've already raised $65.8 million so far. That is huge. That's the most that I've seen in any pre-sale. They do have 45 stages, so they are, doing this over time and seeing more and more interest and more build, which is the right way to do it. Because what I've said from many different stages, I know I'm kind of, getting a little bit off track here by not going directly into the pre-sale, but what I've said before is the fact that if you have popularity, you can go so far. A cryptocurrency project without popularity is a project without life. A cryptocurrency project with popularity is a project that has so much potential, right? So seeing that you have $65.8 million that has been raised, and the money that they're putting in the marketing, the money that they're putting into many different places, I feel as though this is going to be something that's going to be very big. So anyways, join the pre-sale. If you go into the pre-sale, you're going to see that again, 65 million has been raised. You're going to see how much I spent on it. I currently have 51,778, which is about $880 for my total transactions that are there. The value at launch will be $2,588.90, knowing that I'm going to gain a lot. The current value per BlockDAG is 1.7 cents. And again, the launch is going to be 5 cents. So where you are, you're going to have a return no matter what at those levels. Obviously, as you see more and more popularity and more exchanges, major exchanges, tier 1 exchanges get on board, and as I classify it, S-tier exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, you then see the potential rise tenfold, right? So again, that's how much I have. Now it's easy to purchase it. Now you have different levels that you can get at. I'm currently a turtle and on my way to becoming a fish, but there are whales here, that decide to buy, that are in first, second. You can see they bought 2 million, buying about 2 million, 1.2 million. I bought again 51,000. And the easiest way to do that is go over here to buy coins. You can select ETH, USDT, BNB, or other cryptocurrencies you can buy with, and you want to link your wallet. The way that you get in here is by linking your wallet. I already have my wallet linked, obviously, but you just type in whatever you want. So one BNB for me would be about 30,000 BlockDAG right now if I wanted to buy one more BNB worth at this moment. So it's very simple to do it. It's currently on batch 21. Again, there are 45 stages, so 45 batches. So you will have time to kind of go through this and see the popularity and research everything about it, because there's a lot that's about it. But you have the mining rigs that you can also purchase here. So you can purchase the X10, you can purchase the X30, you can purchase the X100 as well. And you can get those mining rigs to you and be able to produce a lot of BlockDAG if you truly wanted to. So that's one way to do that. And total miners sold, right? Those sales, $4.3 million. So people are buying these rigs. I don't know what is the most popular, but I would probably say the medium rig is probably the most popular to go with. But obviously you're producing 2,000 BlockDAG with the highest rig that you would have there. So just to kind of end this video, what did it for me when it comes to BlockDAG? I think when you look at all of the different things that they have as features, and the money that's raised, the popularity, the potential, again, it's just something that really speaks to me as an investor, and also as a person that could potentially utilize it. That's something that truly speaks to me. When you look at how quick and efficient it is, that's a big selling point to anybody that really wants to utilize cryptocurrency. You want it to be quick, you want it to be efficient. You look at the low transaction fees. Being able to cost less is a big deal for everyone, right? If you go through a transaction and it costs you $900 to send $900, like I did with Ethereum, you kind of don't want to move in that direction. You kind of don't want to be on the Ethereum chain at all, because it just doesn't work for you. But if something costs cheaper, you can find a way to utilize that a lot more. You have the scalability with it. You have the EVM compatibility with it. You have the BlockDAG payment card that's associated with it. Proof of engagement mobile applications. You have the proof of work association with it. You have this change in the way that you're doing proof of work as we know it today. I feel as though this is a big deal. So I'm excited about my money that I put into here. I'm excited about the growth of this. I'm excited about what we're going to see when it comes to development, when it comes to just standard innovation. I'm excited about so many different things here. And there's just a lot to go through. There's a lot to go off of, meaning that you can have endless research and be more and more excited every single day that you go in here and look at it. So I don't know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have seen any other videos on BlockDAG. If you guys want to purchase it, I will provide the links down below for you to go to the website, to the Twitter account, all of that stuff. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos, and check out all the links in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.